Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check test page for an Epson WorkForce WF-2630. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panels shown here and this little screen. Now the nozzle check test pattern is like a test page for a printer and is useful for diagnosing print quality issues. So what we're going to do is use the up and down arrows to get us down to setup. Once that's on screen and selected, press OK. Then we go down from ink levels and go into maintenance. And once we're in maintenance, the nozzle head check is the very first option. So we press OK again. And to get the page printing, we press the start button, either or, press the black one. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And when we're done, you'll be presented with a page, something like this. And as you can see, the printer's broken down the black, cyan, it's tried to do magenta, and yellow that your printer uses in creating images. So for a print like this, obviously the magenta portion of the printhead is not functioning correctly, and your prints would probably be looking more greeny than they should do because of the lack of that pinky colour. You can also see there's a very small issue here with the black, so you might expect to see like small lines or slight missing bits in your printing. Thankfully, there is the ability to clean the printhead, which kind of forces ink through the printer's printhead, hopefully dislodges any dried or congealed ink that's in there. Your printer takes you to this option automatically, so just press OK, start again, and your printer will go through this process. Now you can go in circles doing cleans and test pages until you're happy with the print quality, but please do be aware that this will use ink within the cartridges. But that's all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let me know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.